Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here at the center to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to the video. Here we are in the video mode. Now let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video settings at the second place we have the steady recording, so this is the image stabilization here. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And also we have one extra button that is connected with that. When we go back to the video mode and focus on this button here at the center, we can turn on image stabilization by just one tap, as you can see, and we can also turn this off again by tapping on this. So this is really easy. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.